understanding the I Am Peace Award. The I Am Peace Award celebrates individuals and organizations dedicated to fostering inner calm and external harmony within the Black community. This category recognizes those who advocate for and develop systems that promote natural, holistic, and sustainable practices for managing stress and maintaining peace. It honors efforts that contribute to personal, familial, and community tranquility, emphasizing the importance of internal peace as a foundation for external harmony. The essence of I Am Peace lies in the knowledge that nurturing inner tranquility leads to a more peaceful and harmonious world. Nominate a hero at HigherSelfAwards.org. Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products at IamProducts.store.